California Fair Plan Insurance Review 2025. Is it worth it? The California Fair Plan is a last resort insurance option for homeowners in high-risk fire areas, but is it worth it in 2025? The Fair Plan provides basic fire coverage for properties that traditional insurers avoid. Most people get this wrong. They assume it covers all perils, but it's mainly fire-focused, with limited liability or theft coverage. You won't believe what happens next. Policyholders can add endorsements for wind, theft and other risks, and premiums rise accordingly. Eligibility is straightforward. You must own property in California and have difficulty finding coverage elsewhere. The plan also allows statewide coverage, making it accessible for those in high-risk zones. The surprising truth is that while Fair Plan insurance is comprehensive, it's often the only option for protecting your home against wildfire. For full coverage, pairing it with additional private policies is recommended. So, is it worth it? If you live in fire-prone areas and struggle to get insurance, yes, but don't rely on it as your only coverage.